3 men are dead following an alleged confrontation with the police in the vicinity of RAE TOWN in Kingston on Sunday morning. The men had reportedly earlier held up and robbed a woman of her cellular phone and cash on East Queen Street in the parish. The device is reported to have had a tracker which assisted the police in tracing it to the fishing community sometime after 4 a.m. The men were reportedly shot during an alleged shootout with the police, causing residents to stage a protest.
The matter about shootout, there is no shootout. There is no shootout. Them take up all the spent shell them off of the scene.
Not a shootout, which bad. And them gonna come and pin them out of them bed and them open the door and them say police. And them open the door and right away. What kind of shootout? If me have my gun on me, it's a police and a shootout. 2 police I get it in now. Because I know me I go dead. Me know me I go dead. So me, my door like I say police and me I open it. My gun there pan clock behind your head. Sorry the bad word. My gun there your head. So that would be a straight shootout, not a shootout. Innocent. Them kill them, daddy, me I tell you. And me grow them. Innocent. Jesus, murder.
Superintendent of Police Tommy Lee Chambers, officer in charge of the Kingston Eastern Police Division, told reporters that 2 illegal firearms were taken from the men, along with 3 magazines and over 27 rounds of ammunition.
Them say them find gun, all know we not see no gun. We don't see a spent shell. We don't even know if a police or a gunman kill them. If gunman they kill them, that's a spent shell. And if police they kill them, that's a spent shell. What is spent shell them there? Show with the gun now. Where there? When you kill all the 3 people, them if we never find gun, carry me now. Me not say no carrying big bad man, we have big gun, we're not afraid of that. And carry me, why you could carry the 3 look up into them? When you kill them and draw them, throw them in a jeep and carry them away. And now we not see them body. And now we not see a be blood we look upon.
The identities of the men have not yet been released. However, it is understood that the men may be below the age of 20.
19-year-old. 19. 3 19-year-old baby. 3 19-year-old baby.
According to residents, the men who they said were fishermen are innocent.
Know that we community under violence. We give the police them time for coming to do them work. The police them never do them work. 3 little innocent fishermen in a them house. Them go in there and murder them. CJ, Faulkner, Max, Turner, Tinado, Morgan. When them kill them draw them out like dead dog, throw them in the vehicle gone. We have to ask the brother them in the house, them could have bought brother them ball out, they would have murder them. So them have to hide from the police them. 3 innocent youth. You're not supposed to go in the innocent youth house, go kill them like that. Yes, a law, you carry them in.
All when them a beg for them life.
All when them a beg for them life, carry them in.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to kill them like that. We are our parents. Come on. When people dead down here, the worst thing ever happened down here. 3 little baby. Faulkner boat upon the seaside figure, no down here to the engine man upon figure sea. Faulkner boat upon the seaside. It's not a bad youth, them they don't have no bad reputation.
Good boy then.
No bad reputation. When they say we come out, we are bleed.
True man.
We are to bleed for the local youth. We want justice, we can't take it no more.
Fisherman, little boy I show him ideas, say my fisherman and I beg for them life. Them a beg for them life and them still kill them. Wicked! The police them make afraid of them. And them are a rescue. And them are a protector. And when we go to them, we have to run from them. Why? Why we run from them? Them is wicked, them can't be trusted. Who will be just? Andrew won't let's talk to you now. Who will be just, daddy? You put them to protect me and save we. And when we run, go to them, we have to run from them. Eh? Who will be just? You can't wicked some man. Jesus, my belly move from man and I know me can't eat.